Altitude 14,000 feet, temperature almost zero, but the machine spirit on fire. Good morning and hello everyone. So we have reached Chamgol Lake right now, and today history is being written in Sikkim as it's the very first time that supercars rode through the mountains of Sikkim. Sikkim just witnessed a dream. So let's hear from the riders or the drivers of the supercars what they are feeling. So hello everyone, right now I have with me the owner of Porsche. So sir, can I have your introduction?
Yeah, my name is Viren Mirani. I'm from Mumbai, and yes, as you said, that I own a Porsche 911 Carrera, which is parked right here, and it's just about few months old, and I'm truly enjoying driving on these roads over here with such great conditions, such a great beauty of Sikkim, and I have driven in other parts of the world, but this has certainly taken the cake, and it's sure that I'm going to bring my family also one day, and we'll have the same experience all over again.
Wow, so we would love to have you here again with your family. So this route, I think it's of 2 days, no sir.
Yes.
So right now we are here at Nathula. So from this route, like which part you are more excited for?
So the last few legs were the best, I think, because the surface conditions were far better, as well as the scenic beauty with the Kanchenjunga was outstanding.
So right now we are almost at the top of the world. It's
Yes.
14,000 feet here.
That's how I feel right now.
Wow. So how are you feeling right now to drive your car here? Or like you have visited so many countries in the world. So this, like, how is it the feel? How are you feeling?
So, the day we got into Sikkim, from the time we passed the bridge, Atal Bridge, and we were welcomed so warmly by all the people from Sikkim. And Mr. Chiring, he was there, and since the time we have just been given such great kind of welcomes everywhere. Everybody is so hospitable, and it's just been one of the best experiences. I mean, our expectations were very low, but now it's like well beyond. So thank you very much, and it's number one.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So ma'am, can I know your name?
Shania Pahuja,
Okay, so which car are you driving?
driving my dad's 911 Carrera.
Wow. So how does it feel to be here at top of the world, almost top, 14,000 feet with your dad's supercar?
Incredible. We've been sharing the drive. That was a condition. Dad said, "You take half, I'll take half. I'm not going without you." And the roads are so smooth. It's great. It's like a perfect dream drive, like Mario Kart.
So you've been to many places for the rides. So right now you are here in Sikkim. What makes this ride different from the other rides?
I have actually never been anywhere else.
Oh, okay.
So I've only driven the car in Bombay on the highway a few times. My dad drives it every Sunday. And I live abroad. So every time I come back, he'll take me on a long drive. So this time he was like, "We'll do this. We'll drive in the mountains."
Okay, thank you so much.